Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Delta Dental Member Dashboard, Secure Access Guide step by step clearly. To access the Delta Dental Member Dashboard, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Delta Dental's official website. Once the site loads, look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to be directed to the member login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you already have an account, enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Ensure that your information is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, find the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email address. If you're a new member and haven't registered yet, look for the Register option on the login page. Click on Register to begin the account creation process. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. Once you've completed the form, review your details for accuracy. Submit your registration to create your account. Now, return to the login page once more. Enter your newly created username and password to log in. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to the Delta Dental Member Dashboard. Here, you can access various features related to your dental plan. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools and resources. Logging in regularly will help you manage your benefits effectively and stay updated. For any technical difficulties, contact Delta Dental's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.